Welcome to Caravo. This is episode 6 of C-Aptitude. Let us move on to our question. So we have an integer first that is equal to 50. Okay. And then we have another integer second that is equal to 60. And then we have also declared the variable third, but we have not given any value to this declared variable third. Okay. So the next line consists of the value of third. So the expression is third is equal to first, and then that is a comment, and then plus second. This is a bit confusing. We have a comment in between of an expression that we have. So third is equal to first plus second should have been the expression, but we have a comment inside it and it has the a channel name. So that doesn't matter. It is a comment and that is what matters. Okay. So what we need to understand is, does this comment gonna affect the value of this variable third? Okay, we'll move on to the next statement. So printf %d like is given as a comment as usual what we have given outside the printf statement, that is below above the printf statement, that is code.io, and then we have \n, so it is gonna move on to the next line, and then the variable third is being printed %d, so the value will be printed first, and then we have this like comment. Okay, so there are two questions. The above comment first code.io, will it affect the value that is being printed or the value that is being evaluated from that expression? And the second one is like that is being given inside this printf statement inside quotes, will that affect the evaluation of this printf statement? Both these questions must be answered, and the answers to both of these questions are different, and that is the catch. So what do we have to notice? C++ compilers. Okay, this is C programming language. So usually we do Delta series in C++ and hence this confusion. Anyway, this is C compilers. So C compilers remove all these comments. Basically they are same, right? Anyway, so C compilers removes all these comments except when they are given inside quotes. Okay, so if they are given inside quotes like in the printf statement, they will not be removed. They will be printed and they will be considered as a string. Okay, and they will not be considered as a comment. But if they are given outside quotes, in that case they will be considered as a comment, and hence this will be evaluated as third is equal to first plus second, and the comment that was given as code.io will be removed by the C++ compiler when compiling this code. Okay, so that is being removed, but the comment that is given inside this printf statement will be there, and that will be present in our output too. Okay, so with that out of the way, now let's evaluate the value of third and then print that. So the value of first is 50 and the value of second is 60. So 50 plus 60 will be replaced that. And what is the value of 50 plus 60? 110. So the value of 110 is being stored in third, and then that will be printed, of course, because that is what we need to print, and hence that will be printed. So our output would be 110 \* like * and then \n. So we are moving on to the next line. So this is \, so that is slash. Okay, so we have slash, star, like, star, slash. Okay, so what would be printed is 110, the value that is being evaluated from third would be printed first, and then slash star, the word like, and then star slash. So those characters will be printed as it is, and then we have \n, and hence it is move on to the next line. So that would be our output. Now let's move on to an IDE and verify this output. So here we have our code. Now let's run this code and verify our output. So as I said, our output should be 110 slash star, like star, and slash, and then we had a \n, and hence it is moving on to the next line as we can see here, and that is our output. Now let's move on to the try dot session. Before moving on into the try dot session, there is one thing that we need to understand. I thought of this comment and it was confusing. It's a really good question, but I had another doubt, so I fiddled around with this code and found this. The thing is, if we have a comment that is between the unary operator minus, the operator that we use for increment and decrement stuff, if we give this comment inside this operator, that does not work, and that gives us an error. Because this minus is considered as the same character, but when we give a comment in between them, and that affects this unary operator in some way, and hence will not get the desired output. So this is a cat that we need to have in mind. So with that, now let's move on to the write-out session. So here is our write-out question. We have a void main function for I, int I is equal to 2, I is not equal to 0, I minus equal to, and then we have a comment and then 1. Okay, so the comment is after the augmented assignment operator, and then we have 1. What would be the output for this question? Let me know your answers in the comment section below. If you love this video, please drop a like and comment down below if you have any questions. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next episode of Daily Dose. C-Aptitude. Until then, bye bye.